Greetings, my name is Dennis Daniels, and this is a NetOp School Review, Part 3. My initial problems with setting up NetOp were overcome by use of the Network Manager. I'll get into that in a moment. If you have any trouble at all reading or reading the fonts on this, I would recommend that you download this video. The Flash player will do no justice to the text in the applications. Initially, there was little joy in terms of installation and deployment. What I found out quickly that it is time-consuming and can be expensive. You need to have your network manager to be actively involved. So this is not something that a computer teacher could do on his own or his or her own without knowledge and support of the network manager, especially if there's firewalls active, as you can expect in any school environment. Post-installation I didn't think is very friendly. It didn't ask if anything worked at all at any point, so I was left to wonder why some things would work and other things didn't. And it was only again with the consulting of the network manager that I found out that there were elements unknown to me active on the network that prevented installation. So let's do a quick demo of NetOp, since I've complained a little bit. Now let's show you why it's cool. What you're looking at here is the interface. Oh, I've lost two machines. I wonder if they got turned off. So these are all my machines that are currently active on my network. There's 24. Those are the details. In order to get real details, though, you have to right-click, apply attention on the student, monitor, remote, chat with, audio, send message, run a test. And I need to investigate that more, but run a program, execute command, collect files. I need to figure out that as well. I don't have any students in my classroom right now, so I can't really test it as well as I like. You can see the classroom layout. Because I'm using the computer name as the target because it's a lab environment, and we don't have user IDs as yet. We thought best to go with computer names. Thumbnails. This is where I can see what students are doing. If I double click on it, the machine itself comes live, and I can through this open up applications and look at what students have done. What's nice is that the mouse follows, or the screen follows my mouse. So as I move around, as I move the mouse around, it follows my application, which is quite nice. So remote keyboard. Let's see if I can. I'm now zooming. I clicked on that. Now I'm zooming in, which is quite nice. So let me go up. It's a little disorienting. Let me see if Alt F4 works. It does. I just Alt F4 to kill that application. Scrolling down, it doesn't work here. It's actually moving the mouse which moves the screen. So we are looking at an interface. My computer. I can get in and see, show contents of this folder, documents and settings, all users, desktop, shared documents, shared pictures. So I'm in this machine right now, digging around, and I'm presuming that because I'm an admin, or that I do have admin rights, I'm probably looking at the full load here. User, UASD user. That's not what I want. The mouse navigation is a little awkward, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. User, folder is empty. Cookies, favorites, desktop, my documents. Okay, so there's quite a bit of work in here that needs to be gathered up. Let's close that. So let's see if I can collect files from the student. How do I do that? Welcome to the Collect Files wizard. Click Next. We will collect the following files. Specify files. Let's try .ppt, see if that works. Okay, on the desktop. See if that works. Okay, there's more here than this particular tutorial will allow us to do. So again, thumbnails, lesson plan. I have to investigate what that is. Recordings. I imagine I can assign students recordings, or I can record what students are doing. Tests. There's a sample test here. I don't know what it is. Learn how to make tests. Elements. Okay. Closed. Alright, I guess that's for me to figure out as well. And the class setup. They're all on my machines. Control, etc. Demonstrate. Now I can take control of another student's machine, I imagine. I can get their attention. I can take control and communicate with them. Chat, message, audio, work groups, run program. That looks interesting. Program path. Not quite sure. I'm running my own program on theirs. Cancel. So all of these things are very cool, and what I'd like to see I should let you know is that the request for support came in about 12 hours, and that Linux needs to have something similar for the LTSP environments. I understand that NetOp does work under Linux, but I have not seen much documentation on that. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Dennis Daniels, and if this helped you or anybody you know, please send me an email and let me know how it helped. Thank you, and happy computing.